What extent do you think language plays a role in transmission between generations?
I think it plays a important role, but I also think the rituals, the customs that uh, tie people. I can get together with a group of Jewish women my age and discuss certain superstitions or a red bendel, tying on. When you have it, remember when I had my baby was born, the first thing my mother did was go to the crib and tie a little red ribbon on it. And she said to me, for good luck. My grandmother came and she put it on the carriage. And whoever they believed in that. I can speak to women my age with a Jewish background, and they won't know much about sermons or shul or anything, but I'll say, oh, you put a red bendel on it? Oh, of course, So I think those kind of things are just as important. Of course the language is important, but it isn't a means of communication to us anymore, and it's not a necessity where it had been in my mother's generation. I think that's what the ritual, the superstitions, the cultures, it's that commonality that more keep people together. Not more than language, but the language, as I said, is dying out. Even in Israel, you find people speak Yiddish, but not very many. Uh, it, but still, even with my Israeli relatives, if they're from my generation, I talk about certain rituals, even though they came from Germany or Russia or something, they know those, whatever they are, the holidays, the lighting of the candles. Every Jewish woman, no matter where she lives, knows about it. Whether she does it or not, she does know about it.